Oh my gosh, guys. This is way cooler than I thought it was gonna be. You guys gotta check this out. Look at this. What's up, guys? We are in Corona, California right now, and I saw a cool little hike pop up on my Google Maps, and apparently it's a cool like waterfall rock thing that may or may not have water right now, but we'll go check it out, see what it's all about. Apparently it's all covered in graffiti and all that kind of cool stuff. I'm here with a couple of friends. We're gonna go check it out. So far on the hike, we found a whole bunch of old car parts, all covered and graffitied all together. Look, there's actually a engine block sitting right here, which is pretty cool. I can hear water. There's a cool stream flowing right here. It's a good sign. Oh my gosh, guys. This is way cooler than I thought it was gonna be. You guys gotta check this out. Look at this. The one unfortunate thing about this is that there is a lot of trash. Fortunately, people are lazy and they just don't throw their stuff away. Really, really sad. But the art is cool, so what are you gonna do? So we made it to the waterfall. I don't know what I was expecting, but this is way cooler than I thought it was gonna be. There's so much, there's actually a lot of water here right now, and there's so much graffiti. I mean, like every little nook and cranny of these rocks. Every time you walk around a corner, there's something new. I mean, just check this place out. What I really want to know is how did some of these guys get to these spots? They must have used like rappelling gear or something. I mean, look at that, is a flat face right there. You either got to be a really expert wall climber or something like that. Alright guys, well thanks for checking out that spot with me. Super cool. Be sure to like, subscribe, comment on this video, tell me what you think, and we will see you next time.